Shreya Bhagavat and I welcome you back to my channel. I'm super excited because I'm going to Vietnam. We are traveling to Hanoi, Hoi An, Sapa and Cat Ba Island. It's going to be a 9-day trip and we're going to be hopping a lot. Our flight was at 11:10 from Mumbai airport. We booked a non-stop flight which reached us at 6 a.m. Vietnam time. Boarded finally. Okay, so the boarding was at 12:10 and it's 12:22, so right on time. To apply for Vietnam visa, just go to the site flashed on screen. You'll get the e-visa in around 7 working days. Charges for the same are around 2,700 rupees per visa. First thing we did after reaching is check for the SIM card. So just as you exit the airport, right inside the airport periphery itself, there are like a lot of shops and that is where you'll find the Viettel counter. Rates were sort of high, so we didn't go ahead. Download Grab app and using airport Wi-Fi, book a cab to your hotel. Hi, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
First day in Vietnam.
Yeah, I'm a little tired. I need a coffee too.
So far, how has been your experience? The car and everything?
Very nice. I was expecting a smaller car, like a Swift or something like an Aura, the way we have in India. But this is too huge.
Yeah.
And I'm seeing this car for the first time. Mitsubishi Xpander.
Airbnbs are quite affordable in Vietnam with aesthetic options starting from 1,800 rupees.
How are you?
Ours was located about 40 minutes from the airport and 20 minutes from the city center. We booked it for 2,200 rupees a night. Hi guys, so we have booked a city tour with the Hanoi kids. We couldn't get a cab, so we booked 2 bike rides via Grab instead. Did you know Vietnam has one of the highest sales of two-wheelers? You won't miss India for sure when you're here. After about 20 minutes, we individually reached the puppet theatre where we were to meet the Hanoi kids. It's my day 1 here in Hanoi in Vietnam. We have booked this free tour. It's by Hanoi Kids. And basically it's like one of the kids here in Hanoi take you around the city and it's free of cost. It's because they want to enhance their English language and so they get in touch with you. So if you want, you can just click on the link below in the description, or you can read the the link is here on the screen, so you can just read that. Hi. Our first stop was the Heritage House in Hanoi. It's a well-preserved example of traditional Vietnamese architecture, offering a glimpse into the lifestyle of the city's past. Located in the old quarter, this 19th century home showcases antique furniture, intricate carvings, and classic courtyards. Our second stop was the Ngo Son Temple.
And the other two is Vietnamese gardening animal. So it's a combination of lion and dog.
Oh.
It can distinguish the good and the bad, and only allow the good to enter the temple.
Oh.
Yeah, so we are the good one.
That is the phoenix, no? The one in blue and yellow.
The very
No,
tall.
on this, the square one.
The Ngo Son Temple is located on the Hoan Kem Lake in Hanoi and is a revered spiritual site dedicated to General Tran Hung Dao. And this guy over here, this turtle lived in the Hoan Kem Lake. You can see its preserved body here next to another turtle. Finally, time for breakfast. Coconut coffee. It's good.
You can whisk it out. Yeah.
It's really nice. This is a vegetarian banh mi. That is how we pronounce it, right?
Amazing.
Really?
It's different. It has mushrooms and these leaves. What leaves are these?
Yeah.
These leaves.
Have a bite. And trying banh mi. Oh yeah, that's the way. How is it?
Sweet basil.
Basil.
Good. How is the coffee?
Coffee is too good. Okay. Hi. So she's Soya and she's Rice. So these are their Hanoi kids nicknames. And and we got them some son papdi. So now they're gonna try it in front of us. Let's go.
Okay.
Swan papdi.
Yes.
Soan
Swan
papdi.
papdi.
Yes.
Is it broken?
Yeah, it is that way.
Reaction.
Yeah.
Okay. 1,
Three,
2,
two,
3.
It's a little sweet, a little bit sweet,
Yeah.
and I feel very warm. It's like I eating ginger
Yeah, ginger.
Yeah.
Is it? You have ginger
No,
here?
there's no ginger.
Lawan.
because
Ah.
it make my mouth warm. So it's like I'm eating ginger and it's a little bit sweet.
Maybe
Yeah, it is.
we'll see the second reaction.
Yeah.
No, take more
Take a
of
bigger
it.
bite, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a very.
It have milk, right?
Yeah, it has.
It's very good.
Yeah.
I want to eat more.
Yeah.
Yummy in India. What?
Yummy.
Yum.
Do you have official language? Hindu language,
Yeah.
right?
Chavishta.
Charista. Charista.
Chorizo.
Chavishta.
Chariska.
Chorizo.
Chavishta.
Chariska. Chariska.
And that ends our tour, our city tour with the cute Hanoi kids. Hey Lu, the first day is still on. After the morning tour, we went back to our Airbnb and we rested there for a while, and now we are off to getting a SIM card because we still don't have that. For the best coverage across Vietnam, I suggest Viettel Network. Also, go to an official store to get your SIM card. And then we began our second tour for the day, the food tour.
My name is Nora. And my name is Hora. Nice to meet you. Yeah, this for you. This is the sauce.
What is that? Okay. So what is this called?
Grilled pork roll. Grilled rolls. Yeah. We take it. And it is kind of salad.
Okay. First we tried the grilled pork roll. Since I don't eat meat, I went with the vegetarian version. Take a rice paper, add toppings of your choice such as leaves, rice noodles, dried mango, cucumber and carrot, and roll it and dip it in the sauce and enjoy. The taste is crispy and full of flavors. Okay, so we are at restaurant number 2. It's the Met restaurant. It's a Vietnamese cuisine restaurant, and we are going with one plate of vegan spring roll in 3 ways. We also ordered stewed tofu and mushroom curry in clay pot and steamed rice. So I'm trying the stewed mushroom and tofu with its steamed rice in a clay pot. So this is a clay pot, and this is a guava, Vietnamese guava wine. I'm gonna try that. It's a very soothing taste. Next, we went to Bun Cha Ta for some bun cha. Bun cha is a popular Vietnamese dish made of grilled pork served over a bed of rice noodles, which is known as bun, accompanied by fresh herbs like mint and cilantro, and a dipping sauce made from fish sauce, vinegar, sugar, and lime juice. It often includes a side of pickled vegetables and a basket of lettuce or other leafy vegetables. Next, we went to Cafe Din to try the egg coffee. I was dying to have it. Egg coffee, or Cafe Trung, was introduced in Vietnam in the 1940s during a period of milk shortages. A bartender named Nguyen Van Giang created the drink by using whipped egg yolks as a substitute for milk. The result was a rich, creamy coffee that became a beloved specialty in Vietnam, particularly in Hanoi. It's good, it's frothy, it's nice, it's really nice.
Superb.
And why did we choose Cafe Din for egg coffee? That's because the cafe belongs to the creator of the egg coffee, Mr. Nguyen Van Giang. Although he passed away now, His son runs the family business. His first daughter, Big, also opened Cafe Den on another Hanoi street to retain the family tradition. The cafe is famous for serving the original egg coffee recipe that Nguyen developed in the 1940s. The rustic, intimate setting of Cafe Din, combined with its historical significance, makes it a must-visit spot in Hanoi. So I have originally ordered the egg coffee, but it's the colder version. The one that I tried before was the hotter version. So let's just try this. I'm gonna whisk it, and then
Whisk it and whisk it. Oh yeah.
it's really nice,
Nice.
frothy and really good.
How is your coffee? Non-coffee lover?
This is not coffee. This is tea. This is
Oh,
tea.
it's a tea.
Because I don't really like coffee.
We are back from the food tour, and it's 9:20 right now. Walking back to our BNB, and it was an amazing experience, guys. Do check out Hanoi Kids and book yourself a free walking tour with these adorable kids.